Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Snapchat lenses to animate your face. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat and tap the camera screen, then tap your face on the screen to activate the lens carousel. Then swipe through the try different lenses, then from playful face, filters like puppies and flowers crowns to animated effects. If you're a Snapchat Platinum subscriber, you'll get access to AI video lenses. These let you animate adorable animal like a fox, raccoon, or a bouquet of flowers appearing with a zoom effect. Then tap or hold the capture button to take a photo or record a video with your chosen lens. The effect will follow and animate in real time. Send it to your besties and add to your story, spotlight, or save to memories for later sharing. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.